In this guide, we'll show you how to get and enable Roblox Voice Chat on an iPad or tablet. If you find this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. To begin, open Roblox and tap the More option at the bottom right, then go into Settings. From there, select Account Info and make sure you have a verified phone number added. If you haven't added one yet, complete the verification process first. Next, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, then open Communication Settings. Look for the Voice Chat option and switch it on. If you don't see this option, return to Account Info and complete the age verification step first, then check again. After enabling Voice Chat in Roblox, open your iPad or tablet settings. Scroll down to Privacy, then select Microphone. Make sure Roblox is allowed access to your microphone. Once everything is set up, return to Roblox. Tap the microphone icon in the top left corner and start speaking with other players.